Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to quickly make a cinematic voiceover. So here I use the voiceover to add it to my video on CapCut, and here is the result.
You'll face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated.
So like that, and to make the voiceover you just need to go to your browser here and then type in the keyword voiceover, voice maker end. Okay, so open the web. Okay, so here is the web, and what you need to do is just add any text that you want into the text box here, and then after that just scroll down. So for the AI engine, just choose the standard TTS, and also the language you can choose by your own. So there are so many options of languages in here, but I'm using English US, and here you can also change the voices. You can see there are so many options. I'm using the Matthew Mail for this, and then just scroll down again. So you can also adjust the audio settings, you can adjust the format, the sample rate, and also you can adjust the voice settings. So in this case I'm slowing the speed, so I'm using the -20% for that video. And then here you can also change the volume and also the pitch, and you can also add voice effects in here like that, but I'm using default. And okay, I'm going to just go to soft, and after that when you're done just click on convert to speech first before downloading, and
You
it
will
will
face many defeats in life,
preview
but never
your
let yourself be
voiceover.
defeated.
And after that you can just click on this to download the file. Now the file has been downloaded, and you can just open CapCut and edit your video. So here I'm going to just click audio sounds, and then choose the folder here and click on from device, and I'm going to add the voiceover before, and you can just place it in anywhere you want in the video. And here is the result.
You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated.
Okay, so that is how you can make a cinematic voiceover. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I'll really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.